So recently I started working more with 3D scan data, and I noticed that most of my meshes produced by 3D scanner are pretty much unaligned to the axis in CAD. So maybe in this example you could live with that because it's more or less aligned. And also if you check the left profile, you could rotate it manually. But when you have bigger scan like this, you need to have some alignment tool to do the job for you. And I created the alignment tool. So what I want to achieve is adjust this model, so adjust this mesh, so this side of pipe is parallel to the bottom view. So when we enable the top-down view, we will have view on the top of the pipe, and it's going to be pretty straight because I want to create sketch on top of it. And as you can see, now the model is pretty much unaligned. So how to align it in 3 simple steps, no fillers, no ads. What you're going to do is open Blender. You just install Blender and open it. Then you're going to import the mesh you want to align. This mesh is going to look pretty ugly, but we shouldn't care about this. Next, what you're going to do is go to scripting tab here and paste the script that I provided in the description. It will be link or directly the script, or just copy it from the video. And don't run it. Don't run it yet. And in case you didn't know how to create a script, you have to click I forgot the you have to go to scripting tab, press the new button and paste the script. Don't run it yet. Go back to layout tab. In layout tab, you're going to rotate around and navigate to to the surface that you want to be, I don't know, let's call it the reference for aligning. So I want this pipe, the top of this square pipe, to be aligned with XY axis. So we are going to go into edit mode, and now we need to place 3 points. I mean, it's 3-to-1 procedure script. In the first step, we need to place 3 points. So let's place first point here. I just left clicked. Now you need to hold shift and place 2 additional points, which should be pretty much in one plane with this first point. So you left click, then you hold shift, left click and left click. I left clicked on those 3 places because I know that more or less this is flat surface, so I want to align to this. Or even better, you could go like 1 point here in the corner, second in this corner and third in the middle. So we have 1 corner, second side and in the middle kind of. So the script will produce hopefully more accurate alignment. Now go back to scripting tab, run the script. It can take a moment on server PCs. As you can see, it rotated the model, and this is our first alignment done. Now we want to navigate around again. I'm pretty bad at this. So in the second step, you're going to select 2 points, just 2. And those 2 points are going to be used for rotating the script in Z-axis. So that, let's pick this point and this point. After the script processes the model, this point and this point will be parallel and will be actually on the x or y axis. I forgot, but you get the thing. Let's run it again. Go back to layout. Yeah, it's aligning to the y-axis. So those 2 points are now on y-axis, and now we want to select one point. And this one point will be the center of the alignment. Select basically one point, just left click, go back to scripting, run the script again, go back to layout, and as you can see, the point I selected is on the crossing of two axes. Now we can see the model looks pretty good. Now we can export it. Yeah, I have the previous exported file because I trained before recording the video. Let's call it aligned 2. Go back to FreeCAD. This is our original mesh, which is pretty much unusable and unaligned. Let's import the aligned mesh. The process is going to be pretty much same for every CAD. You just need Blender. Loading this mesh can take quite a moment. Yeah, the mesh is loaded. And now, when we select the bottom view, maybe the bottom view node, but top view is pretty much perpendicular to this surface of this square pipe that I was aligning it. Also, when we go to, I don't know, let's go to left view. The left view is also aligned to this line of pipe. Let's call it the edge of pipe. And this is exactly what I wanted, and this is exactly what I was missing from pretty much every software I touched. So this is after alignment, this is before. As you can see, the before is pretty much in random position and unusable. So this is it. If you have any questions, then feel free to ask in comments, and that's it.